Okay, today I show you my new place I live. I hope it's a better video than the last time. That's outside. So, quick round view surrounding. Not much here. Nice. So, okay, let's go inside. Gotta open the door. Okay, small glimpse. Let me close the door first. Here you get a front view. So this is part of my garden. Yeah, I'm watering it at the moment. Here, let's take a close look around. All water pumps in action. So how about walking around the house first? Let's see. Here, front door. Some of my old flowers. The car. Yeah. Bad boy bike. Small bad boy bike. Still lovely. Shiny. Welcome to my pool area. Here you see, here you go. Yeah, that's my smoking a cigarette chair. That's the back side of the house. Also not so much here. Next neighbor an inch away. So that's supposed to be housemaid room, but I keep my stuff inside here. Well, yeah, a lawnmower. A big garden needs to be treated well. So enough want to help clean the house? I doubt. So let's go here past before we go inside the house. Here's the place where another huge tree. It's where we dry the clothes. That's the back door. Another toilet here where we have the washing machine. Here around, keep the garbage. Here. I can go here. Holy. So now it's getting interesting because we enter the house. Getting wet, by the way. So welcome to my house. Let's go inside. Always take the shoe off here in Thailand. Otherwise someone is screaming and yelling at you. So here, this is the dining table, shoe closet. So let's take a look inside the office. Yeah, now the blanket is not for me, it's for the cat. You see, 2 computers here, a fridge here, had one spare, moved in here. Okay, yeah, that's the living room here. Air condition. So let's look here. That's the TV section. Just wanna show you, nice TV. This is the dining section, I told you already, right? Oh, did I just do that? Did I switch my TV? Yeah, if you want to have a dinner on the dining table and the TV, yeah, should be close to watch it. So, just that you see what I do. It's not a miracle, just move it. Yeah. Well organized, yeah. So, here is the, I keep my small stuff corner, knick-knack corner, yeah, gifts from former students and stuff like that. So, welcome to the kitchen, yeah, right down there where the cat has dinner. So, yeah, that's the kitchen, yes, huge storage room here. Yeah, here, a toilet, shower, connected to the office. Here, that's where we're supposed to make food. It's water, drinking water, actually. Here, it's getting dark. Here, yeah, everything has its place already. Another fridge, yeah. Can't have enough of them here. So, let's walk upstairs. So, yeah, here we go upstairs. So, nice picture on the wall. So, upstairs, upstairs. So, now I'm coming upstairs. Yeah, the big flower plant. So, anybody in here? I doubt. That's the guest room, you know. So here, in case they want to watch, I gotta open here quick. Oh, the bad one should have been open. Yeah, that's the balcony view here for neighbors here. Here, here. You will probably know that guy. That's me. So let's see. Here is not sure what that's supposed to be. Maybe for children have a small work desk or something. Here is another toilet with jacuzzi almost. Huh? No. So toilet here. Yeah, looks already nice. So, yeah, here, that's a room here. I gotta show you that. Open it, yeah. If you have to throw a couple prayers around here, welcome to my Buddha shrine here. A little bit of everything. Let me wipe quick. Okay. So, pay respect. So, and now here. Yeah, the lion cage, I would say. So, that's where I sleep. So yeah, and that's another shower. However, there have to be some secrets left, so I won't show you that. Okay, here, yeah, here. Yeah, the view of the TV, another, yeah. Improvised a little bit. So, and here, yeah, that's the view outside from here. Huge balcony. So, well, hope you enjoyed the ride. That's it.